kogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati yiga ntubwate etime tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingiye cyugo kwarigania nabo igocho tebererie kindi kinsi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati rolling mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao nabo igo ayubo igabwate chi profile net gauges ao unabono babwate no corrugated nabo igo box corrugated asibe babwate boomerang ayuare aye chigage emeronge tato asama mabati ali aye chigage emeronge bere na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross nabo igo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko nabo igo web design babwate yigani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue nabo igo na green obutambe bwe mabwate yiga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi bwo igo ebyo ochikunyara kwabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya amabati yiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase ouru MRM showroom onyare kwabo gukwerera amabati yu akomenya segeka ayo uchanye warrant nabo igo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asubwango eduke yiga ya ouru superstores yego toka se nyumba ya ouru complex imeyumucho yigo busongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Aha. Kwa hiyo umeamua kuumwaga mchele kwenye kuku wengi. Mbona mimi na yako siyasemi? Mwanaume gani wewe? Kutwa kujilizaliza. Sehemu ya kulia mimi, unalia wewe. Ukirudi nyumbani, unalala tu. Haujali mwenzako nimekula, nimeshiba au nina njaa. Au niwaambie watu kama mchezaji majeruhi. Kwa mwezi unacheza mara moja tu. Niache!
Dada, maneno unayamwaga hayo.
Niache. Wewe umeamua kuyamwaga. Kuanzia leo, watu wote na
Sept kiresta kaibere gure Chinsa Ikomi chabono muragoba wire uya umwanchwa umurigererio Getembe TV Ritkerigere Juma taki 19 motenyo kyanda mwaka w'ekirubere 2025 nchengoro kwa Catherine Nyaboga Vanessa Nyaboga cross umuntu wawe manyeriro Kevin Ongeri kuri studio ya kabere nera kwana kyabuna chibichechi na Mario Gingo ikirachira senchira ereye wekranu karansoike abana intugo ikomoiro tukumanyiga tiari agenda tewatika na tugo chaka abantu babere nigo bakagire gusiria magimabo gwetero mubasukano mubebwe para oyokora kane mambia rero asensemo ya omobere taracha separa ekoro mugonga gocha Kenya mugendia we pipigi ni gasiri obugimo bwaye abwa somo baskana sobo ikomosubati abugoreti ujubo igoro morokia nigo asiri obugimo bwaye chingaki arakomonyakiwa na nyagitari
makori igo menyeta iga si accident yabera next day gipara kero kurata ya kuru igo ya bide na minyoka guji kuminyoka gocha na nyoro mu na rairense no mumuro yoga nerare omungu naraire para igo igali ere kande Kenya one gotebekana kuru Kenya kigali cia minyoka nive bono yakusi accident igo yarenge mutu nyabwate ba nande yatebekanire yande yatebekanire no mukonda kitugwa tega tari montereba one karatu omaba na sokire para njanya liko umwana we mukonda kituso wabutama uchinjire kwanda bono mubere ekurate ya kurungo uitira abantu oyo gotama twa minyoki twikarira goro otereri ogwa karagu twa mugwata twa muirani bono twararagi ngo muitere musambe twaratiga na itu sana nonere bono eyikira abantu bateba tiga to save ubugi mobo libaga nertora muite egara onye nekina kichiko ko baraisi ekiagera na ruo gusaidinga ninja natu metaba bono omuntu oliga abo kuri kurwaiga oirukanye yatebekane nero kure tai muna basikali twaka what I'm criticizing most amakosa manene sana iko twaka simi Kenya police station 10 times and no response was taken, nothing was taken. Baka ya pili tuaje kwa usaidizi kuroge abasikali baito ba Kenya onye ndiriba igwonga ne change tolira hot liters ingekuwa rahisi sana wangekimbia na randoba mzima. So a police station yetu ya Kenya nyona ba yetu they are not reliable in terms of assisting common mwananchi. Aina mawaza manna sana akara barangeliu they should connect us to the next office irato konyi bona exede ina bayaba igo mebere omubero rusigwa randroveri ya chire Kenya aidha no mubero ndo uligo chikopogoli
chali ya accident ya bona mambi umo na boda no mada mwe kwa school wanyaka wabako siro bugima bwabo asa accident ye pa na accident yo ndoko tabaga no mwana boda bota magoso mono no muntu ke gali bota magoso ikiagara asaru takachwito mwana boda ne saidi engaye talie yaye igari kwa bateki ega isia ko mnyakani amoibere aya moya karagento keke banyora ngoso ke saidi chwito mwana boda sare ngensa moya toko te abaiga epare number 1 epare na nyere number 2 egwate bitonge binga senje number 3 oborundi bora abwechigari ebato chaete mnanto boda asenge joninki igako bateki oja saidi ya gopi timetinga de toto motaro ino naito goeta barigo tuomba yo taiba ito tuwende gotara pasto kara yora ini ntubu ati chia pare asukero matata ke gotara ko kuwae goto ko sabanga se pare de akenya tabatari ito to bore ndi borobuya pare ro sigwe bengia na barundi boto bachiga ntoba angeti ntoba angete lakini baba abantu bagotore no to ko barenda bagoto tuoma ofyo ngase njo to bate bigali ebike bakatwara chigali chinene.
Waziri boborendi boime omuske Onesmus Kipchumba Murkomen ritkrarero nigo aikibi karobya jukwa la usalama kaunti ya Nyamira imambije ritkorere ukwana nabaliki bamangana bosio bwebi karebyo niga kwanira imechando ejwere ime kaunti ya Nyamira anene mono bwebi bwetugo ase bunge ya burabu ukoneriruwa kwa basubati kisegi chegenka gosaro kwa bana banyaruka naboigo no goito kwa bantu ase chinchira chobotutukanu ase boigo akwanera kisegi chechindemero na yande amangi Murkomanigo ariganiwa no mugavana we county ya Nyamira omoske mominyaribo mwakilishi wa basubati ase county ya Nyamira omoske Jerusha Momanyi mojumbe o West Mogrango omoske Steve Mogaka mojumbe o North Mogrango omoske Joashi Nyamoko Irene Mayaka negati ya baraibande abangi
related to issues of cattle theft. This is a confined problem in Borabu, being the border county to border constituency to the side of Bomet. There have been cases of cattle theft, some resolved, some unresolved. I want to say that we have agreed in the security team that there will be a team that is going to profile. Already some of these thieves have been profiled, especially those who facilitate them to come and steal from this side, and also the buyers of the cows, the butcheries and the sponsors and financiers. are being profiled so that they can be apprehended. We want to resolve this issue once and for all. Being an issue that is happening between border of two counties, I have told also the Ngao team to reactivate public barazas between the two, at the border between Borabu and Bomet County, so that they can have a greater collaboration with the citizens. The question of femicide is a serious issue. As I said, the President established a task force to work on that issue. The task force completed its work. There is ongoing crackdown and implementation on the issues of gender-based violence. And as I said, it is a conversation we must have as to why in some communities more prevalent to others. What are these cultural practices that are perpetuating these kinds of crimes? What can we do to make sure that we get rid of these heinous acts, especially gender-based violence, which is targeted at women, including FGM, including defilement, kids. Of course, men also are victims of violence. It also goes unreported because of cultural practices that if a man was to come out to say, my wife beat me, they would be ostracized. And we want to deal with these stereotypes that are so ingrained in society that victims are not strong enough to come out. Some of the cases are as a result of mental health issues, use of drugs and alcohol. So as we do crack down on the part of alcohol and drugs, we also resolve the question of mental health that is also driving some people, spouses to kill each other, and in some cases even young people who are dating just by virtue that you have a girlfriend. We have
Mwambia yerit karero muraiwense Daktari William Samuel Ruto mwaziri wa wachenu moske anendware na baraibande ni gobomirana n'abantu bakorwa chifamiri cha kwenyara ase nyomba y'oburaya status omoche o Nairobi kirenge kenene no kwene kyabuna abantu abo ngwerike bari no murobori bobo banyosha nabo igo erio eserikali enyare kubakanira chibesa cy'obubweni.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are gathered here today to launch the National Government Sponsorship Program and the Digital Sponsorship Program of SHA as a transformative, compassionate step to ensure that no Kenyan is left behind. Leo hapa tumekuja kwa sababu tulikubaliana ya kwamba tutabadilisha mfumo wa afya na kwamba kila Mkenya kwanza kupitia kwa ile sheria tumepitisha ya PHC, kila Mkenya ajisajili kwa SHA, kujisajili peke yake bila ya kulipa pesa yoyote. Kila Mkenya unapojisajili basi utakuwa na nafasi ya kwenda hospitali ile tunaita primary health facilities kwa level 3, level 2 ya dispensary, level 3 ya health center, level 4 ya sub-county hospital na zingine county hospital. Na ukienda pale kama outpatient, kuna homa, kuna nini, kuna malaria, kuna nini, unaenda pale, unaonana na daktari, unadungwa sindano kama ni kudungwa sindano, unapatiwa dawa kama ni kupatiwa dawa, alafu unatoka hapo unaenda nyumbani bila ya kuulizwa pesa yoyote. Wacha nirudie, kwa sababu kufikia sasa bado tuko
Mwaziri wa wachenu wa dendwale oyoko na sege karekyo ni gateba nobusibore bwakera mu Kenya konyora obobwenya semende ni gakwanera gukora obokurumi asense moyo wachenu anene mono gukora abanyagitari bobolimo amaryogo yobolimo chinyagitari cyobolimo amo na yande amangi.
What you are doing today is not just a policy, it is something which is anchored in the bottom-up economic agenda. It is championed, you have championed it yourself, a provision in the Constitution that it is a right for every Kenyan or every citizen to health care. You have made it very clear, Your Excellency, that going forward we must build a healthcare system that is robust, that is responsive, and that is equitable. And by having these indigents, our children, our elderly people, people with a disability, to access specialized care, to have and today leave State House when each one of them, and we have made sure we have activated and they have received in their phones a text message that going forward they are members of the Social Health Insurance Fund. But this is the beginning, Your Excellency. Digital health system we are building has even greater capability. We will make sure fraud is impossible in our healthcare system. We will eliminate fake drugs, fake doctors, and fake facilities. And we will enhance quality of care across the board. In our new digital health care, known as Taifa Care, Your Excellency, the patient is the boss. The patient dignity is our priority. The patient quality care is the most important element.
Makonyi muraibu ense Professor Pramukithure Kindiki nigo akwanire amariogo gochia ase Chinyagitari asa rebuna marioga yu nigo arachi korwa ase kiumbe gya Kemsa omocho Nairobi nakogenda ase Chinyagitari erio gokora oboibi bwa mariogo nabo igokomanya gati amaroire a Chinyagitari chikoba chikorwaria muru ose omokonyo yu nigo ayakwana yaiga merundini e county ya Tharaka Nithi.
We want to improve on the supply of drugs and medical commodities to our hospitals. Ile mambo ya zamani tulikuwa tunafanya hapo nyuma, tunaenda kusimamisha sasa. Ati dawa zinatoka Nairobi, dawa za Tharaka Nithi zinaenda county headquarters. Dawa ya Isiolo inaenda county headquarters. Dawa itakuwa inatoka Nairobi, inaenda hospitali direct. Direct. Hata kama ni level 4, level 3, inatoka inaenda hospitali direct. Kwa sababu ile dawa inahitajika sehemu mbalimbali sio the same. Kwa sababu kuna magonjwa tofauti ambao ni common. So we want to know, and that's why we are digitizing our health data, so that we know the common diseases that are treated in every dispensary, in every health center, in every level 2, 3, 4 hospital, so that we send drugs and medical commodities directly to the hospital from Kemsa in Nairobi. Tukiboresha mambo ya madawa ipatikane. Tuboreshe mambo ya daktari apatikane. Tuboreshe equipment ya kupima wagonjwa ipatikane. Na kila mtu ako na bima ya afya. Na tuondoe fraud, kwa sababu NHIF iliharibiwa na fraud na ukora na watu kuclaim vitu ambazo haziko. Mtu anasema nimefanya surgery na hakuna surgery imefanywa. That's why we are digitizing the system, so that it can detect and reject fraudulent claims at source. Kabla hujaweka makaratasi, system inakataa. Nasema hii ni ukora. Nasema ti. Ya? Iko hospitali ingine, mtu wanaleta maclaims. Wanasema ati Mr. X tumemwamputate mguu. Next week, Mr. X tumemwamputate mguu. Next month, Mr. X tumemwamputate mguu. So in 1 year,
Ciao, to kire chitaika Ikomi na isano na isato igoro ye Chinsa Chinsa Ikomi chabono morogoba mwancho murigereria aine gatiari togende tukoriganiria achikugochira wikirano ibere nenye chibotko bwarero nere harun ototo nyingiri chengoro wakati Nyaboga Vanessa Nyaboga koroso mona wimanyiriro Kevin Ongeri Kristi akabenera kwaneke buna chibiche china Mario Gingo ikirachira senchira yo wikirano bye bye tumraneri eskuria anki
Eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubwatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi mense liga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyiko chire chichi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo wakwa imeye nyumba iziko ya nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati wekari guri iriya bantabati bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo wochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganye wochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi aboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara njibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumuchuri go musongo eyueranga neduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwe trase chinamba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Amone